everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm creating some decor dupes for the dream house makeover that I'm working on. I think I need a floor lamp for the living room. I need something over here that can cover the dollhouse bit. I visited the Anthropologie's website and I found this beautiful floor lamp. I love it. I grabbed my dowels, and my beads, there are 9 beads on the floor lamp, so I'm also using 9 as well. Looks like at the bottom is a flat piece, but I'm going to use this thicker round piece so it has more support. Then I apply some glue onto the dowel, and then I push down the bead over the glue. Now I need to figure out the lampshade. I think this bead is perfect to support the lampshade. I'm using my scoop from my protein powder. The size is perfect. Now I need to figure out how to install the lights to the lampshade. I have to be able to reach them to turn them on and off. But first I'm going to paint the floor lamp stand black. Okay, that looks good. I think if I glue this bead to the dowel, it will support the lampshade. But where am I going to install these little lights? I got these from Dollhouses and they're so bright. I love them. I think I'm going to glue them to the big bead. I'm inserting the silver thumbtack on top of the lampshade, protein powder scoop, so it will fit into the bead. That way it won't slide off. And I'm going to use this fabric for the lampshade. And turning the light on and off is easy. I love how it turned out. Please tell me what you think down below. Now I'd like more decor for the vanity. I went back to Anthropologie's website. I found this clam shell with a pearl inside. It's a door stopper, but I'm going to use it as decor. I'm grabbing my seashell collection and looking for clam shells that are similar in size. This dupe is really easy. I just glue the two shells together and paint it gold. And then grab a gold bead and glue it inside. Now let's go back downstairs, and I think I also want more decor for the coffee table. I checked out Neiman Marcus's website and I found the sculpture and I think I have the perfect thing to make it. I hung up this basket to hold these plastic plants. I use these plastic chain links, but I'm going to steal a couple from the chain to use for this dupe. I'm leaving it black instead of painting it white and just painting half of it gold. That was easy and I love it. What do you think? For my next dupe, there's a hook above the bed in the bedroom that held a canopy before, but I want to add a light. I found this light on Lighthouse's website and I think it'll look great. I made similar ones before with these eggs. These eggs are very useful in 1/6 scale. It's almost Easter time, so they'll be selling them in the stores if you want to stock up. I'm going to drill a hole on top so I can feed a chain through. I'm going to use this gold paint and the sand that I found at a garage sale a few years ago. I want to give it more texture. Okay, so I don't like the gold and I don't like the texture, so I'm sanding it off. I'm using the same gold I used in the bedroom on the other pieces. Before I apply the gold paint, I want to paint the inside white. That looks so much better. I'm using these little bulbs I bought on Amazon and painting them gold as well. And now I'm putting it all together with these little gold jump rings. That looks great, and it was also easy. Well, that's it for this video. Please tell me down below which one of my dupes is your favorite, and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss the dream house makeovers. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.